back in your spot.
My base got in my face.
Whoa.
The base got in my face.
The what?
My base just got in my face.
Oh, your bangs.
You got water up in there?
I think it's time to go to the barber shop. Get a hair washing. There you go. Yeah. Caroline, you go to the beauty shop and get you a cut in the color. There you go. All right, we are ready to pull the water. So, fingers are together. Yes, then we're going to swim. Yes, sit still. Fingers are together because Bennett. Hello.